Okay, so we got a Subaru Liberty Gen 5, all keys lost. Lock and unlock. Try the remote. Unlock. Lock. Try it in the door. Beautiful. We just finished programming, just programmed the remote. And there we have it. So if you need keys made to your Liberty, this is a 2010 I think it is, or 9, but it's a Gen 5 anyhow. So what we can do is we can give you a nice flip key remote, unlike the triangle key that you would get from Subaru. So this is the new style remotes that we're using. It's got a good key ring, it's got the flip blade there, and it fits in your pocket really well. And that's it. So we can just lock this car up, and that's it, we're done. Thanks for watching.